Hello, it's me, Kawaii Po, and I remember going on holiday for a week and I couldn't record because it was in the middle of France, in the middle of nowhere, so I couldn't really record because there was no internet for a whole week. It was alright. And I remember coming back in to get to the ferry, and we were waiting for half an hour. So I was like, "Hey, Dad, I need your phone." So I took it off him. No, he gave it to me. So I got all the earphones and I looked on YouTube and I found my channel. And it had 13 subscribers. This was my first. It had 13 subscribers, and I left off with 5. I don't remember getting 8 before I left. And I remember seeing my latest video, and it was one of the most liked and viewed videos, and it had a really nice comment on it. So it's very nice. So I wanted to record Life of a Squishy Scammer, just because I haven't recorded for a week, and I remember one time. Actually, it's summer, and since last year's Christmas, this stocking right here has been up the whole time. I've just realised that right now. Like that. Like that. So yeah, let's do Life on the Paper Squeeze. And I just got an order from my squishy package. I'm very happy about that. So let's see what she wanted. First she wanted the pan drag, jumbo pan drag. I have that. Got it right here. Official. I'm gonna put it in this weird thing. But oh well, I'm just going to slap it in there. That's not my toothbrush. Oh well. I'm going to just stuff it in there. See what else she wanted. She wanted the pizza, official pizza squishy. She didn't say which one, so I'm just going to read this official one. Next, she wanted the Peanut Strawberry. I love this one. It was boring without a face, so I just gave it one. Boop. Yeah, I just gave it a face. So the video has already taken 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Wow. Next, she wanted the stack of pancakes. Have that one right here, the bear stack of pancakes. I love this one. I'm gonna give her 2 extras for full that. So yeah, I'm gonna pay her for extras. I'm gonna give her this really cute jelly toast. Actually, no, I'm just going to give her 1 because that's just clean. Because I like that other squishy that I was going to give her. Enjoy your squishies. I just got my package. I'm sweating. Yeah, but I just got my package, so I'm really excited. I'm not looking. Some people out there feel like extras. It came in this weird koala package. But oh well. I only ordered 4 squishies. But that's a nice. Oh, it's an extra mousing things. No, I just counted 5, so an extra. It's really cute actually. Look at it. Looks like my strawberry. Can't wait for that. Next, oh, it's a panda egg paper squishy. That's really cute. You should go check that Instagram out. She's called I'm a Scam 10101. I really like this. Oh, and it's pizza. I'm kind of running low on squishies. Oh, this is cute. I didn't order this. They're paper ones. So far. And a bear stack of wait. I don't feel any more squishies. Are you saying that these are my squishies? This is my bear pancake stack. This is my John Berry official pizza that I wanted. And this is my Pinot Noir strawberry that costs $50. How dagger? What? $50 for this really big ugly thing. Panda egg. It's not part as well. This one was an extra that I had to pay. You don't pay for extras. It's not even squishy. I'm contacting her. Hello. I just got all of these squishies and they're all paper squishies and they're not all what I wanted. So, yeah, they're not all what I wanted. Honey, what? There they are. That's your panda egg, your pizza, your Pinot Noir strawberry, your your bear stack, and an extra. That's what you ordered, and I gave you it. No refunds. Bye-bye. I'm okay. I'm okay. Hope you guys enjoyed that video, and I just want to say thank you very much again for a really high change of subscribers and very nice comment. Thank you. I saw Rose in your name. Thank you very much. And yeah, just thank you for me getting 1.4K, which is very nice and very appreciated. Bye bye.